long intros. Let's get right to this. Top 5 log explosions. I'm Gabe Romo. Guys, when I was doing the research on this one, I found a video I just couldn't leave out, but I'll put that one later on in the video and call it Top Dumbest Log Explosion Video. So with no further ado, let's get right to number 1. Right in his own backyard. What you'll learn from this one, as well as all the other ones, is step back just a little bit farther. They do get bigger.
A lot bigger.
Here's number 2. Woo! And whenever you do something that big, it's always good to take your picture right after. Or is it? This one, they're using a front end loader to move it on what looks like a quarry, which is a good place for blasting. And so with my top 5 voice, I say number 3.
Number 3. Number 3.
That blew her apart. Piece come flying, didn't it?
Alright, number 4. My buddies and I did this one a few years back. By far not the biggest, but I have to get in on the action and show you how this one went down. Today, we are splitting wood. Alright, and he's gonna split it.
Come on, George, break that thing.
Wow, that right there is why you want to step back just a little bit farther. Alright guys, number 5. This one is about a 6-foot diameter, the largest log explosion. Video that I didn't want to leave out. I don't know what all is going on in here, but I'm thinking they have a chain around the log to keep the wood from flying at them, which is brilliant, but it's bad. Don't do it. I don't know what the other log or that pipe or how they contrapted it, but just watch and enjoy.
Alright folks, here we go. Got a powder wedge application. We're going to see if this thing will split this log here. And as he's running, are we going to die?
We hope not.
I see the fuse are burning.
You see it? Alright, give it a few more seconds.
Alright guys, I've been shooting videos for years, and I need more subscribers. And I've bumped shoulders with other successful YouTubers, and they say, Gabe, you need to narrow down your YouTube channel to about one subject. Because right now, my YouTube channel is random craziness. Like sledding into trees, crossing a lake on a inflatable couch, or shooting a GoPro into a sky with a bow and arrow. I've even shot some music videos and storylines. What I need from you, other than to subscribe, please, is to comment down below what you would like to see on this channel. If you would like to see more random craziness, tutorials, music videos, or maybe you want to see more top 5 videos. Narrow it down to how-tos, beauty tutorials. I never thought of that one. Even if you don't spend a lot of time on YouTube, if you could just hit that subscribe button, that'll help me get my number up to my goal of 1,000. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next video. I wish I could tell you what it's about.